Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the ways to create or sign up for Bitget account. So in order to create or sign up for Bitget account, you have to first of all install the application. Head over to your Play Store and install it. After you're done installing it, click the open button and open up the application. As you open up the application, this is how it's going to look like. So press the continue button, and next what you have to do is click on get started. So now to begin with the procedure, you could either use your Google account, Apple ID or Telegram account in order to create an account. I'm going to go ahead and press on the create account button, and first of all enter in the email address that I wish to register with and create a password as well. Once you're done creating your password, click the create account button located right at the bottom. Now it's going to take you to the other field where you have to go ahead and select the order type. It's going to send you a verification code which you have to enter in right on this page or wait for it. So as you can see, this is the one. So now go ahead and copy the one and click on the submit button located right at the bottom. You could also go ahead and enable a fingerprint. If you don't want to do it, so click on the leader button, and as you can see that the account has been successful, and now you could go ahead and explore all of these. So that is how you can sign up for Bitget account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.